Welcome back to Kids Creative Art. Today, we're going to draw something fun and super cute. A smiling pencil. Let's get started. First, grab your pencil and draw a tall rectangle in the middle of your paper. This is the body of our pencil. Not too skinny, not too wide. Here, we draw to pencils. Step 2. Now let's draw the pointy tip. At the bottom of the rectangle, draw a small triangle. This will be the sharpened part of our pencil. Then grab your crayons or markers and color it in. You can use any color. We use yellow and green. If you had fun, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more drawing fun every week.